Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to fix Fortnite not launching. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Epic Games launcher. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to go into your library right here, and then you're going to find Fortnite. Click on the three dots here at the bottom, go into manage. Here under installation, you can see this small folder icon right here. Click on that and this will open Fortnite's location in your PC. So you're going to click on here, the Fortnite game, go into binaries, Win64, and go into easy anti-cheat. Okay, here you have this .exe file. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this, okay, and you're going to click on send to, and then go into desktop create shortcut. So what will this do? I'm going to minimize Epic. So what will this do? It will create a small shortcut of the same file right here, and then you're going to copy that file. You're just going to drag and drop from your desktop to that same folder, and now you'll have a dash shortcut. You're going to right click on that, click on properties. Here you click space at the very end and type in repair. Okay, click on apply and OK. Then you're going to double click on it and let it do its work. Okay, if it opens, great, that means Fortnite is working. So if this method doesn't work, you're going to do what you're going to do is you're going to go back into this Win64 folder. Just going to go back, and then you're going to scroll down until you find this Fortnite client Win64 shipping. Okay, right click on that and click on properties. Here go into compatibility. Okay, and you're going to check this and this. Make sure all the three is checked, and this make sure it's set to Windows 8. Okay, click on apply. Okay, and now you can launch the game. So if this video helped you at all, do leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, folks.